Choice again, right there. Get down to it. I got $2, $3. Get 3 and 3. Get down $4, $4. Get down 3, tear down $4. Get down $4. Get 4 and 4. Get down sold. $3 on buyer number 194. What do you want out there?
These movies right here.
Thanks, the movies. The movies are gone. Odd choice again. I'm gonna get that dollar bill. $2. Get 2 and 2. Gonna get down 2. Get down $2. Gonna get down $2. Get 2 and 2. Gonna get down $2. $2. Gonna get down. Yeah, dollar bill. Sold it. Goes on buyer number 2. Takes that box there. You want that little jumper box? Little jumper box. You get the racks with it. Yep. You want both of them? Times 2. Times 2. Hey, how much was that, Amanda? $1 bill? Who wants a pick out of there for $1? Pick out of these boxes right here for $1.
Hey, I've had this brainwave.
Me too. Sell it all. What money? Right there. Get that dollar bill. $2. Get 2 and 2. Get down $2. Get down 2. Get that dollars here. Get down 2. Get down 2. Sold. Dollar bill on 29. There you are. 29.
Sell my washing machine right there, partner.
Hey, look, my good washboard right there. Get down how much here? Get down 30. Get $30. Get down 5 here. Get down $6. $6. Get down 5 of the vine. Get down $6. Get 5 here. Get down 7. Get 7 to be. Get down 6 here. Down 7 to be. Get down $7 all. Get 6 here. Get down 7 to be. 8. Get down 9. Get 9. Get 8 here. Now you're out. $9. Get 9 here. Get down 9. Get down $10. Get 10. Now 11. Now you're out again. $11. Get chicken. Get down 11. Get up. Sold. $10. You got it. Buyer number 82. Now look here. Well bucket. Some old well bucket right there. Get out 10. Get 10 here. Get out $10. Get down 10. Get out 5. $6. $7. Get 7 to bid. 8. Get out 9. Get out 10 here. Get out $10. Get 10 here. Get out 9 down. Get out $10. Get 10. Get out 10. Get out 9 here. Get out 10. Sold. $9. 207. You got it. Now what do you got?
Hey, I've got a whole batch of glasses right here. Looks just like that.
The glasses.
Some kind of velvet turtle.
Velvet turtle glasses.
Oh, that's nice.
Hey, you're selling all the glasses. Whole box full right there. Get out 2. $3. Get 3 and 3. Get out 2. Here down 3. Get out $3 all. Get 3 and 3. Get out $1 bill. $2. Get 2 and 2. Get down 2. Get dollars here. Get down 2. Get out sold. $1 bill on buyer number 165. 165. Look at there.
Hey,
nice one too. All right, sell the oak right there. Get out. How much here? Get out 50. Get $50. Get out 20. Get out 5. Get out $10. Get 10. 12 and a half. Get out 15. 17. Get out $20. Get 2 and a half here. Get out 22 and a half. Get 22. 50. Get out 20 here. Get out 250. Get out 5. Get 25. Get out 25. 5 of the line. Get out 2 and a half of the line. Get out 5. So, 22.50 on 165, is that right? 165. Hey, sell my coffee grinder right there. Get out 10. Get 10 here. Get out 10. Get out 11. Get out 10 here. Now 11. Get out $11. Get 11 to bid. 12, 13, 14, 15. Get out 16. Get out 17, 18. Get 19. Get out 20. Get 1. Get out. You're both out. 2, 3. Get out 4, 5. Get 20. Top of the line. 6 here. Get out 7 to bid. 8. Get out 28. Get out 9. Get 29. Get out 35. Get 35 of the line. 48. Get out 5 of the bid. Get out 45. You're out. Get 45. Get down 45. I got 40 back here. Got me 2 and a half. 47 and a half. $50. Get down 5. 55. 60. Get down $60. Now you're out. It's $60. Get down 5 here. Get down 65. 65. $70. It's $70. 5 here. Get down 75. It's 75. 5 of the vine. Get down 75 of the vine. Get down 70. So you'll be $5. $80. Then $80. 5 here. Now you'll be 85. Now 90. Then $90. Get down 5. Then 95. Get down $100. Get down 1. Get down 5 here. Get down 10. Then 115. 15, 20, get out 120. Get 5 here, get out 125. Get out 130. Get 5 here, get out 40. Get out 5. Get out 50. $200. Get out 10. Get 2, 10. Get out 2 here. Get out 10. Get out sold. $200 on buyer number.
Hey,
152.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, whoever lives here close, you've got a new neighbor. The real estate did sell today. to the lady right that was standing right there, the last bidder. So, new
If you're
neighbor.
living here, you got new neighbors. Good deal.
Yeah, 272, 3, 4, somewhere in there. Yep.
Parker, I've got 2 sets of silverware.
Hey, we got silverware.
Come on in.
Yeah,
You got 2 sets of them.
yeah, hang on.
I'm gonna say a choice set. Choice set right there. Get out. How much here? Get out. $100. Hit 1, 2. Get out 50. Get out 50. Get out 50. Get out 25, 30. Hit $30 5 here. Get out 30. Top of the line. Get out 30 here. Get out 5, 40. Hit $40 5 here. Get out 50. Get out $100 10. Hit 10 get out 110. Get out 100 here. Get out 10. Get out 110. Sold $100 on buyer number 175. 175. Well, water boat.
I'll take both of them.
Thanks, that one right there. Kenny's got.
You got the other
Yeah. Yeah, you got the other. Hey, sell that one right there. Get out. How much here? Get out 100. Hit 1 here. Get out 50. Get out 5, top of the line. Get out 55. Get out $20. Hit 20. Get out 20. Get out 10. Hit 10, 15. Get out 20. Get out $20. Hit $20 5 here. Get out 20. Top of the line. Get out 20 here. Get out top of the line. Get out 25. Sold $20 on buyer number 41. Thank you. 41. Sell the iron. Sell the iron right there. Get out 10. Hit 10. Get out 10. Get out 5. Get out 5. Get out 5. Get out $6. Hit 5 here. Get out 6 times. Get out 5 here. Get out $6 all. Hit 5 here. Get out 6 times. Get out sold $5 on buyer number 202. 202.
Hey, right here between me and old Bobby, I'm going to sell you choice.
You get awful sad by the time you get done.
I've got shampoo and
That's right.
dispenser and stuff in there.
Hey, you got shampoo between Bobby and Kenny. I'm going to sell you choice boxer
Oh,
item.
that old scoop right there.
Oh, hey, look at that old scoop. Go ahead and sell the old scoop right there. Get out $10. Hit 10, get out 10, get out 5, get out 5, get out $6. Hit 5 here, get out 6, get out 7. Hit 7, 8, get out 9 here, get out 10, get out $10. Hit 10, get out 10, get out 9 here, $10, 10. Sold $9 on 199.
Now, back to our initial plan.
Now back to your initial plan.
So,
Choice box stacker item between Kenny and Bobby right there. Get out 10. Hit 10 here. Get out 10. Get out 2, 3. Get out 2, 3. Get out 2 here. Get out 3. Get out 3. $3, 2, $3. Hit 2 here. Get out 3. Get out sold $2. You got it. Thanks that little pot right there on what number? 54. 54. Anyone else? Same price right here.
Granite, 167.
167 takes the granite out of there. Anyone? Oh, right here. Coffee pot on number 155. Coffee pot. How much was that, Amanda? $2, guys. Pick them out. Right there, number 31. He's going to take some Pyrex. Takes the Pyrex.
3 times.
You get this one time?
Yeah.
On what was it? Yeah, you got the stack. 31. Thank you. Took one time. Anyone else? $2. Pick them out of there. Can't get much cheaper. Right there. Right here in the back. What number? 202. 202. Oh, okay. You could have told me, couldn't you?
What would you like out there, huh? Dad?
Takes that bag seater. Is that what he's wanting? Takes that bag seater. Anyone else? $2. Pick them out. Gene might need something out there. No? All right, tell you what we're going to do. Sell it all. One money right there. Get out $1 bill. $2. Get down $2. Get down $2. Get down $2. Get out dollars here. Get down $2. Get down $2. Hit $2. Get down $2. Get down $2. Sold $1 bill. Got it. 29. 29. Now what do you got?
All right, hey, I've got 3 of these. I don't remember what they're called.
Yeah.
Stoneware.
Pampered Chef, right?
Chef, that's it.
Pampered Chef. I'm going to sell you a choice of 3 of the Pampered Chef, maybe more.
Choice of 4.
Choice of 4. Choice 4 on the paper chef right there. How much here? Down 20. Hit $20. Down 5. Down $6. $7. It's 7 to be. $8. Down 9. Down $9. Hit 9 here. Down 9. 10. 10. Down 11 to be. Down 12 here. Down 13. 13. Down 13. Down $14. Hit 15. Give me 15. 15. Down $16. Hit 16. You're both out. 16. Down 17. 18. 19. Hit 19. Down 20. Down $20. $20. 1. 1. Down 22. Hit 22. Down 3. Down 4. Down 4. Down 4. Down 4. Down 5. Hit 26 here. Down $26. 7. Hit 27. Down 8. Down Bobby's out. Hit 29. Down 29. 30. Down $30. Hit $30 here. Go ahead. $30. 1. Hit 31. 2. Down 2. Down 31. 2. Sold $31.
Teresa.
Oh, mom buys. Hey, which one you want?
Hey, just take them all.
Hey, which one do you want? Huh?
Four.
The fourth deal, the whole deal.
The 4 deal. Yep, that one right there. Sell choice again right there. Down 15. Down 15. Down 5. $6. $6. $7. 8. 8. 9. 9. Down 10. Down 11. 12 here. Down 13. 13. 13. Down 14. Hit 14. Down 15. 15. 15. Down 17. 15. Hit 17. Half here. Down 17. 15. Hit 15. Down 16. 16. 16. Down sold $15 on buyer number to be.
The big one.
What's your number?
This one.
What's the number? Yeah, that one.
216.
216, Amanda.
That game old.
I was going to try to
Took one time.
Yep.
You want back up? You want? You guys want choice? Same price?
What was the price?
15.
Yeah.
Yep.
The one in the right hand.
Right hand.
Show her your number, baby.
176. She got it. Got one left.
Hey, the best
want
is
it?
left.
All right. Sell that one. Paper chef right there. Let's have fun. $1 bill. $2. Down 3. 4. Down 3. 2. Down 5. Top of the bid. 6 here. Down 6. Down 6 here. Down 7 to bid. Down $7. 8. 8. 8. Down 9. Hit 9 here. Down 9. Down 9. Make back there. Down 9. $9. Hit 9 here. 8 here. Why not? $9. Hit 9 here. Down sold $8 your way.
216.
216. 216. Now what do you got? Hey, you got granite right there in front of
Yeah, I'm
Bobby.
gonna sell you choice. Quit spending old stuff.
All right, choice between Bobby and Kenny right there. Down 10. Hit 10. 10. Down 10. Down 5. Down top of the vine. 6 here. Down 5 down. $6. Hit 5 here. Down 7. Down 7 to bid. 8. 8. 8. $8. Hit 9 here. Down 9. 10. Hit 10 here. Down sold $9 on 153.
The one over there.
This one.
Yes, please.
Hey,
Thanks, that
I've
one
got
right
to
there.
tell you, it's broke.
That's
Yes.
okay.
It's all right. She said. Take it anyway.
Yeah,
Yeah,
take it to her.
that's okay. All right, choice again. Right there. Down $2. Hit 10, 2, 3. Down 2s here. Down 3. Down 2. Down $3. Hit 3 and 3. Down sold $2 on buyer number
115.
115.
I'll take the last 3.
Takes 3 times metal pans, Mom.
Okay, good. Go pick it out.
Hey, sell what's left.
Does it not have it?
They said there's fourth in there.
There's a bunch of cords right here too, Denny. I don't know if you got that or not, but it might be one that matches. I might talk to him. Hey,
Bathroom supplies.
what are you doing now?
Sell it all. What money?
Sell it all. One money right there. Right up there between Bobby and Kenny.
Right here.
That stuff that he's laying his stick across. I'm gonna sell it all. One money. $1 bill. $2. Hit 2 and 2. Down $2. Down 2. Down $3. Hit 3 and 3. 4. Down 5 here. Down top of the vine. Down 4s here. Down top of the vine. Down $5. So $4. 165. 165. Thank you.
I've got bugs. I've got some lids. There's another one of them pampered chefs in there.
Hey, you got books, got lids. I'm gonna sell you choice. There's another pampered chef.
Yeah,
Look
we're
at
gonna
that.
make them choice.
Yeah, they're gonna be choice. Hold them up. Show them what you got.
Got 2 of them.
There's one. Oh yeah. And there's one there. I'm gonna say choice 2. On the pamper chef right there. Get down. How much here? Get down 20. Hit 20. That one make good cookies. $20. Hit 20. Get down 5. Get down 5. Pop of the vine. Get down 6 here. Get down pop of the vine. Get down 6, 7. Hit 7 to bid 8, 8, 8, 9, 9. Get down 10 here. Get down 11. Get down $11. Hit 10 here. Get down 11. Get down 10 here. Get down 11. So $10 on buyer number 194. You want 2? Times 2. Times 2. Now, Bobby, right between you and Kenny, I'm going to say choice box right on right there. Get down 2, $3. Hit 3 and 3. Get down 2 here. Get down 3. Get down 2. Get down $3. Hit 3 and 3. Get down 2. Get down 3. So $2. Same way.
He wants this box, or this
194,
lid.
Amanda.
I don't know how this is going to work, but I'm thinking not well.
How many times?
Work well. One time.
One time. $2. Is that what it was?
Yes, sir.
Pick them out there, guys. $2. Box right. Yep. Right here. Box of razors on 29. Yep. Put it right there with that stuff. Anyone else? Box or item? Sell it all. One money right there. Get that dollar bill. $2. Hit 2 and 2. Get down $2. Get down 2. Get that dollars here. Get down 2. Get down 2. $2 2. So dollar bill. 29.
Hey, Kenny.
Yo,
Hey, Kenny. Hey, sell that big basket too.
I'm going to. Hey, sell my snake basket.
Snake basket.
Oh, that's toys.
Oh, it's toys. Could be a snake basket.
Could be. Might be in the bottom.
Your house, not
No,
mine.
absolutely.
All right, sell a basket right there. Getting the toys and all right there. Get down 5, $6 money's on. Hit 5 here. Get down 6, 9, 6 here. Get down 7 to be. Get 8, 8, 8. Get 8, get down 9. Hit 9, 10. Get down $10. Now 11 to be. Get down 11. Hit 10 here. Get down 11. Get down 10. Get down 11. So $10, you got it. You got the snake basket. 164.
Hey, Stubby.
Wow.
No, Barker. Wrong
Wrong.
Yeah, wrong
Sell
one.
choice of my dry goods just the way they're stacked up or tied up, whatever the
Hey,
case may be.
choice linen. Choice stack of linens right there. Get down how much here? Get down 10. Hit 10. Get down 5. Get down 5 of the vine. They're king size.
That's what it says.
Oh my, dollar bill, $2. Hit 2. Get out there. That was what they had. Bull and king. I got dollar bill, $2. Hit 2 and 2. Get down 3. Get down 4. Get down 5, 6 here. Get down 7 to bid 8, 8, 8. Get down 9. Hit 9, 10. Get down 10. Get down 9 here. Get down 10. Get down $10. 10. So $9, 153.
The fluffies.
Takes the fluffies. Fluffies are gone. It is. Hey, got them all.
Hey, he's a pretty good hand.
Choice again, right there. Get down 2, 3. Get down 2 here, down 30. Get down $3. Get 3 and 3. Get down $4.9. Get down 5 here. Get down 5 of the line. Get down $6. Get 7. Get down 7 to be. Get down 7. Get down 6 here, down 7. Get down 7. Sold $6 on buyer number 57.
The gray and the white sheets.
Gray and white, they're gone. Choice again, right there. Get down 2. Get down $3. Get 3 and 3. Get down dollar bill, $2.